The new smartphone in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a great fusion of style and functionality. It is expected to be sleek and lightweight and available in various colors, and there is also speculation about a better resolution, which will improve the display quality. The device is also expected to be more durable and provide a satisfactory experience to tech lovers. Some more features such as a better camera connectivity options and a bigger processor are also rumored. Samsung has a history of launching its Galaxy Z Fold series in August or September every year. The first phone in the series was released in September 2019 and in fourth in August 2022, so Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely arrive in August or early September 2023. At a glance, the sales figures look bullish, with Samsung predicting to ship 10 million Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 units. In 2023, the company expects 2 million units shipped for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and 8 million for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to ensure it fixes all the issues with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. There's only been one real Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 leak so far, and this points to the phone having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Samsung is the pioneer of foldable phones, and its inner folding design language laid the path on which all other Chinese foldables have followed. But a good case can be made that in the last couple of years, foldables from brands like Huawei, Oppo, and Vivo have surpassed the Galaxy Z Fold series in pure hardware promise. For example, the most prominent design improvement Samsung gave to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 for this year is an improved hinge that no longer protrudes from the side as much in folded phone. This drastically improves the in-hand feel, as the folded Fold 4 now feels more symmetrical in the hand, without a clear bulkier left side like in years past. But one of the biggest complaints about Samsung's foldable smartphones has been their battery life and charging speeds. They also fixed the battery life despite not upgrading the capacity thanks to a more efficient chipset. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 came with the 5000 mAh battery, and even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 45 watt, which will charge your Z Fold 5 within 45 minutes. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.